Happy weekend, everyone, from Terry at D-Lab Electronics. On the bench, I have a real jewel for you. It's a Gibson model GA-40 Les Paul amplifier. Runs a pair of 6v6s. I've never had one of these in the shop, so I was pretty excited when it showed up. The complaint was, the owner said he was playing it, and all of a sudden, pop, she just went out. No output. He looked inside, tubes are still on. So I thought, oh man, either that output transformer went, or for some reason you just lost high voltage. Well, I was wrong. When the amp came in, first thing I spotted, it had the original 6v6s in it. You can see the Gibson logo. Okay, so I threw them on the tube checker. One of them was at around 20% emissions. The other one completely dead. And if you look at those bases, they've been running boiling hot. So I put in some sacrificial tubes, brought the amp up, checked the bias, and there was like 50 milliamps a piece going through these tubes. So I have rebiased it, put in new tubes, and the amp is now working great. I have Tony over here. He's going to show you what this thing does. I think you'll be impressed. All right, before we go to that demo, let me give you a quick guided tour of the amplifier. She's in beautiful condition. Nobody's been in here modifying or drilling extra holes. Somebody did get in here and recapped it, which is a good thing. That saved me a lot of time. There is the new biasing resistor and cap I put on the cathode of the 6v6s. And it's got a JJ filter cap installed. Still has the original rectifier tube. There's the tungsten 6v6s that I replaced. Got a couple of the Jan preamp tubes there and a CBS 6SQ7 for the tremolo. Here's the amp at a different angle. Got your main power transformer, choke, output transformer. And this one has a pair of the ECG 5879s installed. Yeah. So this is a test after repair of the Gibson GA-40 Les Paul.
Gibson amp. Les Paul amp.
Yep, ran a pair of 6v6s, right? Take a look at these 6v6s. They are torched. One of them had like 20% gain, the other one was completely dead, but it still lit up. And it played.
And it played, kind of. And I brought my Les Paul. I'm not sure if I remember how to play it, but let me give it a try. Kind of a rare bird of an amp. Most Gibson amps aren't too collectible. This one is.
Good, yeah.
The Les Paul amps are
Yeah.
way more sought after. Maybe, I could be wrong, but I think the Les Paul amps are the only ones that are really collectible.
Yeah.
So.
Alright, so this is channel 1,
Yeah,
and
this
it's just volume, right? There's
Right,
no
this
tone,
is just
nothing.
straight into the amp. We just
Yeah.
discovered this. This sounds really cool.